How to maintain your laptop and UPS battery. Introduction to battery care. Essential guidelines for longevity and performance. Proper maintenance of your laptop and UPS battery is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and extending their lifespans. Following these essential tips will help you achieve this goal effectively. Laptop and UPS icons on tech background. Laptop battery maintenance. Essential tips for optimal battery life. Optimal charge range. Keeping your laptop battery charged between 20% and 80% significantly improves its lifespan. This range helps prevent battery stress and extends overall performance, ensuring your laptop remains reliable for longer. Avoid overheating. Preventing heat damage is crucial for battery longevity. Avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces like beds or pillows, which can trap heat and hinder proper ventilation, ultimately leading to decreased performance. Don't charge 24/7. To prolong battery life, unplug your charger once it reaches about 80%. Continuous charging can stress the battery and reduce its overall capacity, affecting performance over time. Use the original charger. Always use manufacturer-approved chargers to ensure optimal battery health and performance. Non-original chargers can damage your laptop's battery and motherboard, leading to costly repairs over time. UPS battery maintenance tips. Essential guidelines for longer battery life. Proper ventilation. Ensure your UPS is placed in a cool, ventilated area to prevent overheating. Good airflow is crucial for maintaining battery health and longevity, as excessive heat can significantly shorten battery lifespan. Avoid overloading UPS. Connecting too many devices to your UPS can significantly reduce its backup time. Ensure that only essential devices are plugged in to maintain optimal performance and reliability during power outages. Regular charge cycles. To maintain battery health, run the UPS on battery power every 2 to 3 months. This practice ensures the battery cycles correctly, preventing capacity loss and ensuring reliable performance during outages. Replace battery on time. Regularly replacing your UPS battery every 2 to 3 years is essential for maintaining performance. This ensures reliable backup power and prevents unexpected failures during critical times, enhancing overall efficiency and longevity. Summary of maintenance tips. Key strategies for laptop and UPS longevity. Here are the key tips for maintaining your laptop battery. Keep battery between 20% to 80%. This range helps to prolong the battery's lifespan by preventing excessive cycling and stress. Avoid heat. Heat can cause significant damage to your laptop battery. Ensure proper airflow and avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces like beds or couches that can trap heat. Don't charge 24/7. Continuous charging can stress the battery. Unplug the charger once your battery reaches around 80% to maintain optimal health. Use the original charger. Always use the manufacturer-approved charger. Using counterfeit chargers can lead to inefficient charging and potential damage to both the battery and the laptop. By following these essential tips, you can ensure that your laptop battery remains healthy, performs well, and lasts longer. Proper care is crucial for maximizing your laptop's efficiency and functionality. UPS battery maintenance tips recap. To ensure your UPS battery remains in optimal condition, consider these key tips. Give proper ventilation. Always place your UPS in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating and subsequent performance degradation. Don't overload the UPS. Connecting too many devices can significantly reduce the backup time. Limit connections to only essential devices for better efficiency. Do regular charge cycles. Regularly running the UPS on battery power every 2 to 3 months followed by a complete recharge can help maintain battery health and readiness. Replace battery on time. Be proactive about battery replacement, typically every 2 to 3 years or when you notice a considerable drop in backup performance. Subscribe for tech tips. Stay updated on essential technology insights. Join us for regular updates and helpful tech tips to enhance your knowledge. Don't miss out on our latest videos. Subscribe today and take your tech skills to the next level.